What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel today, Urban Locs. If you like these curls, just go ahead and stay tuned and I will show you guys how we get into it. It's your girl Kyra coming back to you guys again with another video. Okay, so this time we are going to be doing lock curls. I actually just washed and retwisted my hair at the beginning of this month, so it's a little early for me to be doing this, but I actually have somewhere to go tomorrow, so I'm gonna get my curls popping. First, I'm gonna start off with brushing my locks. I think it was like a military board brush, something like that, whatever. So I'm just gonna use this, brush my locks very gently, just to make sure that there's no surface lint, you know? I'm just gonna show you guys what my hair is looking like. Right now. So yeah, I'm about to go hop in the shower and I'll be back. I'll take you guys on a wash a different day, not today. Okay, not today. I'm gonna be making my own like lock kind of gel, not really a gel today, but yeah, as you can see, I have this beautiful aloe plant, plump, thick. So I'm just gonna be taking some of these off of here, and then also maybe need some of this aloe juice that I have as well. This is organic. I've actually had this bottle for a while actually. It's lily of the desert. Oh shoot, it's a little slippery. And then also this, I actually bought this off of Amazon like maybe a week or two ago. I'm just gonna read you some of the ingredients. So organic, this, mind you, this is all organic. So cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, I don't know what that is, lavandula, lavender oil, vitamin E. Boom. So that's everything in here. So I'm gonna use some of this as well in this mixture. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm gonna pick one of the juicy ones. Yes, we're gonna do this one. I'm just gonna cut it. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at this. So I'm just gonna cut this into some pieces so I can do this a little easier. Ooh. How I'm gonna do this, there's really probably not gonna be much method to this madness. It's maybe a little crunchy for some because it looks like I don't care about my fingers, but I do. All right, I'm gonna split that joint. Boom. Got a little bowl here. Alrighty, and boom, look at this. Look at this. Sponsored by my mom, by the way. Thanks, girl. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a spoon and just kind of like scoop it out, I guess. As I can. I could cut it with a knife, but we're just gonna scoop it. It looks like snot. Okay. Yeah, cutting it probably would actually be the better method for this. So we're just gonna cut it like it's still our man. It's like, no. I do not condone violence. I'm just kidding. All right, this is just, how am I always struggling? Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty nasty, but hey, we know what it is. It's all good. It's all good. So I just realized that I don't have like a cheesecloth or like a pantyhose or anything. So I'm just gonna improvise here. We're gonna try this out and see how this works. I'm just gonna put two little sandwich baggies together and stab holes in it, and we'll see. Boom. The absolute worst thing is when you think you're filming, it ain't nothing filming. I just went through all this and I wanted y'all to see this with me. It wasn't even recording. All right, so I managed to kind of get it through there. It was a little bit of a whack process. It's not as smooth as I wanted it to be. And I added 6 pumps of my good oils, ancient Greek remedy oil. I also poured a little bit of my aloe juice in here. It was just a little bit. Obviously, this is an aloe plant. I just wanted to kind of thin it out a little bit. Beat it like some eggs. I just washed my hair really quickly. Let's just go ahead and get it started. I'm about to, I guess I can show you guys everything else I'm using. Just some basic little roller curler thingy things, whatever you call these, rollers, yes. Now these bad boys, they were like a pack of 12. 6. Pack of 12. It was a pack of 12 for less than $2. I think they were like $1 each. So yeah. Now we didn't say nothing about these being comfortable. I want you to hear that and remember that. We said nothing about these being comfortable. Do you hear me? But yeah, this is what we're using, alright? And then this, I just slap on my little lunch lady cap at the end after I put my rollers on, just because I feel like it keeps everything nice and intact, you know. So I just slap this on usually while my hair is drying. I usually sleep with the rollers in. All right, so let's get to it.
If only y'all could hear what I was jamming to. Ooh. So this right here is actually my thickest lock. It is super, super thick, strong as hell.
I believe. So this is what it looks like. This is it. Let me just do a little quick turn. Now I'm just gonna slap my lunch lady cap on. Wanna boogie tonight, 'cause I'm honestly too young of a guy. It is the next morning. Honestly, I'm not 100% sure if they are 100% dry. I'm gonna be honest, but I really don't have time. I don't. So, just going to unravel. Alright, is that everything? I don't have a mirror right now. I really did not have time for them to dry all the way, so don't look the best. That's why. Yeah, so I'm gonna go fluff these bad boys out in the mirror. I will be right back. Alright. So this is it, guys. So I really don't like my curls too tight anyway, so this is kind of like perfect. I like them. Honestly, I may re-roll them once I get home. We'll see how I feel, but honestly, I think I'm okay with how loose they are. I think I'm okay with this. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Like, comment, share. Thank you. It's like, let me stop playing. I gotta go.